Yo, Mr. Dancehall Queen Spice come out and I big up CJ Milan. You see me I say? But you know me sit down and me a listen and me a wait for hear Spice say, yo, me want to tell the Gaza fans them leave CJ Milan alone. Don't you ever try and disrespect CJ Milan. Me not even wait for hear she say, 2KEVIN, I don't want you to disrespect CJ Milan. Me just want to say, yo, Gaza, me love you and me respect you, but I want CJ Milan and me don't want you to go on like you know want disrespect CJ Milan. What should I have said that? You understand me I say? But hear me I go say. Because some man go on like say yo them love man more than how them love woman. But hear me I go say. On behalf of CJ Milan, 2KEVIN, you suck your mother, brawling. I look like a man you love, you're a batty boy. But if Gaza crumble tomorrow, me go see where you have a blood clot do. Again, on behalf of CJ Milan, 2KEVIN, you suck your man, batty boy.